When you interact with a narcissist, you have the power to practice self-love and assertiveness. It's just a rehearsal. Every time you're in contact with a narcissist, you get to practice that. So if they try to rush you, refuse. Refuse to be rushed into any kind of immediate response that compromises your well-being. Take whatever time that you need to just evaluate what the narcissist demands are and consider your own needs and your own priorities and make decisions that respond in a way that serves your best interest. Surviving and thriving after narcissism, well, that's kind of like turning yourself into a masterpiece just out of all of the shattered fragments of your own self-esteem. It allows you to become just reborn out of the ashes, just rising up like a phoenix, just this newfound strength and wisdom. Landing in the narcissist world is just like crash landing into like just this hostile narcissistic alien planet where you have to adapt and evolve to survive. Surviving a narcissistic environment takes a certain skill set. Breaking free from that environment takes another skill set. And if you learn that other skill set, well, then nothing can really stop you. Because if a narcissist can't stop you, then who can? By reclaiming your autonomy and refusing to be swayed by narcissist urgency, you establish a solid defense against narcissistic manipulative tactics. It doesn't matter how much of a rush the narcissist is in. It doesn't matter. You have the right to think, to reflect, to respond at your own pace. This is essential in safeguarding yourself from toxic narcissistic influence. Because post-narcissism, you'll find that you'll be on a continuous journey of growth and self-discovery. And each encounter with a narcissist then becomes an opportunity to strengthen your self-worth and assert your boundaries, to build them, to grow them, to make them stronger. And as you navigate on this recovery path, trust in your ability to rise above and simply embrace the power of self-love, of self-respect, and just of a higher self-worth. Because those things are worth fighting for. Those things are the essence of who you are. And no narcissist was ever born with any God-given power to take any of that away from you, no matter what the narcissist may have woken up one day and decided to believe.